All right, so me and Tyler, we're back at it. We're going on another river mission. We just actually went and checked this spot. We're gonna be trying multiple spots, unless this one's just straight fire. But this first spot, the river's like up, because we've had a lot of rain here in Iowa. But, so the trail ends here. It looks like a boat ramp. It actually used to be a boat ramp, but it's not anymore. But we need to go that way to get to the mouth. So that's what we're doing now. Well, he's going shoes. I didn't want to salvage my shoes. It's not super high, so see, you can see it's like up to just my calf. But then you can start to see the trail. We tried to do a little jam right here, but the logs just kept floating away, so we just said, well, my camera literally just died. Oh, look at it. There's a sucker still alive. I actually saved him. There you go, boy. So that's the only bad thing about the river coming up like this. Like, that fish is still alive, but this is like a trail that we've had like 2 days of no rain now, and so everything's going to start draining. So fish are up here just chewing on everything they haven't been able to eat, but they're going to get stuck. So we might as well, we're gonna have to keep our eyes out. Oh, we got a little watermark there. We're gonna have to keep our eyes out because we'll probably actually see some big fish up in these. Like, look at it. This is the trail. It's really cool. All right, here's a good point to show. So that river is the Des Moines River. It used to be down to where you couldn't even see the river from here. It overfilled the spot. I might actually have some old footage where I fished this same spot, and I'll show you how low it was. But just that amount right here, and we're up that high. It's crazy. I mean, it's super exciting because we haven't had this much water, but it happens so fast. I'm a little nervous here. And this is the mouth here, but I hope I have it on video. But like where you're at right now, like, so the thing would go out to like right here, and it's just a drop off. Well, I'm fishing right here, so that Tyler has a little spot to fish right here. But I'm gonna stay close to this tree because I do know I'm safe close to this tree. But somewhere out here, there's the drop off. But I have a feeling if I catch a good fish, I might go in. So I dropped everything out of my pockets. First spot was a bust. I mean, it really sucks because there was like no pressure of humans here and everything like that. And then seeing the water like this, it's wild. But we got to keep moving because we're on a mission to catch some biggins today. Whew. It's over here. It's over the thing here too. I might have to take my shoes off right here. It's over the little dam. So there's a little wonder if we can get over a little bit so we can cast this. Shoot. I might leave my bag right here. And I'm gonna go this way instead. Oh, that's water.
More water.
There's more water. Me telling you be careful. Huh? I said me telling you be careful, and I went in like 4 times. Huh? You could try that. I want to fish down here though. Well, this is the other spot. This ain't a creek. This is supposed to be a trail, and it's flooded so bad. This spot ain't gonna work. This is deeper than all the rest of them. This is bad. Yeah, I did. It's so bad down here. All right, last spot. Maybe. Might get a few more spots, but we're going to the spill right now. That last spot, We didn't even get to fish that one. See what happens. We got one. Snagged it though. I said I snagged it though. That is a shad. We are keeping that. That is good catfish bait. That is the best catfish bait there. And that goes home with me. That is what you call a shad. See that? That is a shad. How are you?
So you're having some luck.
I got a shad.
There you go.
Might keep her just for bait later.
I'll take pictures of fishing license.
Yes, sir.
Haven't caught anything.
We've been to like
That was
multiple.
his first.
Yeah, we've been to like multiple places, and all the places that we've been are just completely taken out by water.
Yeah,
So-
our feet are soaked.
Yeah. Where are you guys from originally?
Fort Dodge. Yeah.
Okay, so you're local.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, if you weren't from up here, you wouldn't have known. You might not have known we got all that rain. But
Yeah. No, I knew, but I figured we'd be able to get like there, but it wouldn't.
Yeah, it was,
But no,
it was up to our knees.
Oh yeah.
just the pass.
Yeah.
I was like, well, we might be able to still get there. There was 2 spots we got to, but it was yeah, it was not worth it. Ooh. Ooh. Got another one. Well, fun though. Snagged another fish. Gosh, you guys are fun. Huh? Yeah. They're fun though when you get them. Woo. Thanks, buddy. Got one. It's another shad. I may have yanked this one out of the water. I wasn't paying attention. Got something? Nice. Add it to the pile. Ooh, dude. I don't know if he bit, but this might be a muskie. If it bit, this has to be a muskie. I'm not moving it. Oh, I let the drag out. I should have let it. Darn it. I definitely lost the muskie.
That was a muskie for sure.
Ah. He hit so fast. I felt rubbing on rocks. I felt rubbing on rocks. I knew it was over. Oh, what a time. that fish, it's got me thinking. Like, this is last year's line, so I don't know if it was that, if it was the rocks, who knows. Or if it caught his tooth just right, I don't know. But I am like 70% sure that was a muskie. But we're heading up to the top of this spillway and seeing if we can get into some walleye. That's actually what we were targeting, but I knew there was muskie down here, so there was a chance, and that's what happened. But it makes me want to come back down here with action muskie lures. Well, we'll see.